Hello there, welcome to the Gist on Plugtv Live. On the Gist today, BBNaija's Dorathy throws party themed after Squid game. Let's check out the details. Big Brother Naija former housemate Dorathy has thrown a party themed after Squid Game Netflix Korean TV series in celebration of her birthday. The reality TV star was spotted in a slew of pictures where she was dressed in the outfit of the Squid Game's killer doll, alongside her guests who were dressed in the tracksuit like players from the movie. Commenting on the party via her Instagram page, Dorathy wrote, "I had so much fun yesterday and I can only say that 26 is about to be the best year of my life. I can't wait to share all the pictures and videos from the cute themed birthday party. For now, let me go and count the money they spread me. Rent payment is next week." Some of those who attended the party included Mercy Eke, Utuwachuku, Bisola Yola, Chigo, Lucy Edet, Eric, Jackie B, Saga, Ari, and many others. Let's check out some videos from the party. Well, that's all the gist we have for you today on the Plug TV Live. On Plug TV Live, remember to like and subscribe before you go.